DJI claims 90 minutes flying time on the DJI Neo 2, but up to now I even didn't come up close. In part 1 I came around 9 minutes, in part 2 I came around 11 minutes. So let's do part 3 today with almost perfect conditions.
In my previous test there was wind and I was flying with prop guards. Those weren't exactly ideal conditions. I did also multiple hover tests indoors and something interesting came out of that. Without prop guards the drone actually stayed longer in the air. So for this test I'm flying without prop guard to reduce weight and drag.
So this is how we will test it. We'll put it in Cine mode, use cruise control, fly 5 kilometers an hour at 40 meters high. Make sure my controller is set to dynamic home point so it doesn't have to calculate how much time it needs to return. And let's see how far we can push it.
Home point updated.
So when I did the test, it was around lunchtime, it was 19 degrees and there was almost no wind. So let's start walking towards the bridge.
So we're now at 50%. According to the Aussie 2, we still have 4 minutes 50 to go. So we're now at 30%. I think for the next time we need a little more speed.
Battery level is low.
Can-
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
I cancelled the go to home. Now at 20%. Still set we have 30%, 12%.
And here we go, we have a forced landing.
Can I reach it? Come on. Yeah, the conclusion is simple. You can get closer. In controlled environment you probably get closer, but in real conditions you can't get that far. So I'm curious, how far did you get with your DJI Neo 2? And if you want me to make a part 4 where I try to push even further, let me know in the comments. And I see you in the next video.